Well, I got symptoms this morning, so I have like a runny nose and my head hurts a little bit.
Quebec hitting a milestone, over 70,000 people infected so far with COVID-19 in the province, jumping by 637 in the last 24 hours. The Quebec health minister is urging everyone to avoid social gatherings and to cancel those Thanksgiving plans. People here in Montreal's Côte-des-Neiges borough have been hard hit by the virus, and they're getting tested.
It's kind of difficult, but I see it's normal. We gotta get used to it.
The province of Quebec is seeing a spike in COVID-19 cases because of community transmission, largely through private gatherings. Quebec Health Minister Christian Dubé pleading with people to take this seriously and self-isolate for the next month.
To limit your contact, for the next 28 days. And I insist on this. It is for a month. This is not permanent. We ask you a month of effort to break the second wave.
Montreal is nearing the red zone alert, but the city has no intentions of closing schools, public health said. Lineups for testing hitting 2-hour mark for some areas, and many saying they're only doing it to prove they don't have COVID-19 to go back to work or school.
I was coughing and I had a sore throat, and it's part of the protocol of my workplace to get tested even if you if you have present symptoms.
This is where it gets very problematic. It's sometimes very hard to know. It's very hard to tell because the symptoms can overlap to such a large degree. I still think people should get tested. Here's the thing though. If you have the capacity to self-isolate, just self-isolate.
On Thursday, the province urged everyone to cancel their Thanksgiving plans if there are hopes to see each other at Christmas, but they have no intention of closing the economy.
Because when you are having a party at home, normally, very normally, and it's the same thing for myself, we forget that we are in pandemic. We are getting closer and closer and closer, you know. That's not the same kind of activity in a dinner that if you go to the cinema.
I think they need to make up their minds and make one decision good for all so that we're not going back and forth every 24 hours. And also realize that schools have a big effect of what's going on right now.
In itself, it's a good idea, like against COVID, but it kind of sucks.
We'll eventually go back to partying. Trust me, I'd love to go party. But at the same time, you gotta go with the flow.
In Montreal, Melina Giubilaro, City News.